Whoa. So it's summer and you know what that means. It's time to build another guitar, and I will. But for a moment there it looked like I wouldn't be able to, because building guitars is pretty expensive. When COVID hit, I lost some work that never came back. So I don't have unlimited funds for guitar building, but I love it and I really wanna build more guitars. I bought this neck from Guitar Anatomy and I'm really happy with it. So I actually reached out to them and asked them if they would consider supporting me by giving me everything I need for my next guitar build. And they said yes. Of course, because they like my videos, but most of all, because of you. Because you watch this channel and hopefully I subscribe to it, it's a win-win situation. They can support me, that's a win for me. I can make more videos and that's a win for those who like my videos. And Guitar Anatomy can show you what they have to offer and that's a win for them. But I promise you in this process to be totally honest with you. Guitar Anatomy has no influence on what I say or how I make my videos. If something isn't that great, I'll be sure to let you know. So now I just had to decide what guitar to build. It had to be something really special, something I could be really excited about, something you can't just go out and buy. And then I talked to some of my friends and we sent some pictures back and forth to get some inspiration. But then my friend Thomas said, why don't you build the Andy Summers Telecaster? And I was immediately hooked. You have to know that I'm a huge Police fan. The very first record I bought as 13 years old is this one, and I even framed it. I also have the t-shirt, of course, but it gets even better than that. The Andy Summers Telecaster is heavily modded with a Gibson humbucker as a neck pickup. It has a battery-powered boost circuit, it has a phase switch, and the bridge is all brass, not just the saddles, but the whole thing is all brass. And the bridge pickup is mounted directly into the wood. Andy Summers said in an interview that it had all the mods when he bought it from a student for $200 sometimes in the 70s, except the brass bridge, I think. And that is so perfect. Somebody like you and me, some guitar building nerd, messed around with an old Telecaster to make it into something special. And this guitar went on to play on all the Police albums and most of their iconic hit songs. Can you think of any greater tribute to what we do on this channel, messing around with guitars, than building an iconic guitar that some amateur builder messed around with? Naturally, I had to build that guitar. A few weeks ago, I received some boxes with guitar parts, and I haven't opened them because I want to open them with you. I've been waiting for this for weeks, so I'm super excited to see what's in the boxes. Let's do it. The first box, I actually have opened that, I have to admit. This is from Ampdoctor.com. They supported me by giving me these parts. Thanks so much to Amp Doctor for providing this. Okay, so this is from ABM, high quality German guitar parts. So I want to thank them also for the great discount they gave me on this one. This is super nice, really nice, handcrafted. This is from Guitar Anatomy. Okay, here we go. Super nice. Bone nut, roasted maple. Whoa, this is so nice. Look at that. Sunburst. Whoa, what? Nice tight fit. That's perfect. This is for the back plate. Oh, I have an exciting idea I want to share with you. On top of the YouTube videos I'm going to make on this build, I'm going to make a step-by-step video guide or course so you can follow along and do exactly as I do, and you will have a great iconic guitar in the end. That's the idea. Stay tuned. I will let you know when and where you can get this video guide or video course. If you want to see what I've built before and you haven't seen that, check out the video right here.